Hi everyone, today I will discuss next part of biomechanics, that is dual formula. Okay, dual formula, that is also called as subdual mechanics. So what is this subdual mechanics? Okay, so how to analyze properties of subdual mechanic matrices. I will give you an example. Let's take an example. Suppose that M is given as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. The question is find out the moment. Find the moment in a joint. Find out the moment in a joint associated with matrix M. Okay, what we need to find out is we need to find out moment. Okay, so we have four options here. We have joint A, joint B, we have joint C, we have joint D. What is this A, B, C and D? This A, B, C and D are representing the moment. We need to tell them what is the exact moment, that is it A, B, C or D, which is associated with the matrix M. So how to find out is, what we need to do is, we need to write down R1, R2, R3. Similarly, we need to write down C1, we need to write down C1, C2 and C3. Okay, look at this. The formula in order to know what is A, B, C and D, let's see the solution. Okay, sum all these terms 1, 2 and 3, that is called as R1 C1 plus R1 C2 plus R1 C3. Or you can add it directly. You need not to remember this. You need not to remember that is 3 plus 2. Okay, let's write down a small table that is called as dual table. Okay, that is 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 and 5 is 11, 11, 6 and 5 is 11, 11 and 4 is 15, 9 and 8 is 17, 17 and 7 is 24. Okay, so what is the step 1 is, write down the remaining values which makes or nearer to the tens values. Okay, what is the nearer to this? That is 20. What is nearer to this? That is 30. Okay, let's write down this. 15 plus 5 will make 20, 6 plus 4 will make it 10, and this plus make is 24 plus 6 make it is 30. Okay, now we have 4, 5, 6 as dual degree or sub-dual mechanics. Okay, what is the definition of joint A moment? Joint A moment. What is the definition of joint A moment? Definition of joint A moment is when dual degree values are continuous in nature, are continuous in nature, in such scenario, we call it as joint A. So for this question, we got continuous value, that is 4, 5, 6. It means it is an joint A. The answer to this question is joint A. Okay, let's take another example. Let's take another example. I am considering A of joint matrix, which is 1, 3, 5, 5, 1, 3 and 3, 1, 5. Okay, let's see. Very interesting. Write down. Write down the sum value. Okay, write down the sum value for this. Write down the sum value. 5 plus 3, 8 and 1, 9. 3, 1, 4 and this is again 9 and this is again 9. Okay, now we have over here 9, 9 and 9. So refer the same question. Question is, find out the moment in a joint associated with matrix A this time. Again we have option joint A, B, C or D. What is the definition of joint A? When we have continuous. Okay, so when we have continuous. So here we got 4, 5, 6. That shows continuous. But in this case, what do we have? We have 9, 9, 9, which is called as the similar value. So this is called as joint B. This type of matrix subdual value is joint B. Let's take the third matrix, that is M of joint. Okay, we have 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 5, 5, 1, 2. Okay, so what will be the values? 4 plus 2, 6 and 1, 7. 5 and 3, 8 and 1 is 9. 5 and 2, 7 and 1 is 8. Okay, so we have M of joint equals to 7, 8, 9, which is continuous. Okay, it means this is an example of joint A. Okay, actually I wanted to take something else, but it has come in a... Okay, let me take this as, instead of taking this, let me take this as 4. Okay, so this you take, okay, let this be 1 only, 7 and 8. Let's take the fourth one. M this of joint is given as 1, 2, 4, 1, 3, 5, 5, 6 and 2. Okay, so what is the answer? Just add this 4 plus 2, 6 and 1, 7, 9, 5 and 6, 11, 11 and 2 is 13. Now you can see 7, 9, 30. So this comes under what? This comes under joint C. This comes under joint C. I hope you understood the concept. Let's take one more example. Okay, under what condition solution is joint D? For A, that is continuous. When it is joint A, it means it is continuous. When it is B, when it is C, this is discontinuous. It means it doesn't agree any pattern, and this is same. So what is joint T? When we get 0, 0, 0, this comes under the category of joint D. Suppose I have 1, 2, minus 3, 2, 1, minus 3, 4, 1, minus 5. The solution is what? 1 and 2 is 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, 2, 1, 3, 3 minus 3 is 0, 4 and 1, 5, 5 minus 5 is 0. So this is an example of joint D movement. I hope now you have understood how to calculate, how to identify if it is A, B, C, D. Okay, DE doesn't exist, sorry. So I hope this concept is clear to you now. So this is all for the today's lecture. We'll see in the next lecture about some of the other topics. Okay, so thank you for your patience listening. Thank you once.